Amanda here. I am going fully into denial now, and I'm just pretending that it's fall. I got the fall sweater, fall nail color, fall earrings. I'm gonna do a very fall-tastic eyeshadow look today. I am ready to embrace the delusion and be done with summer. So, congratulations to us all. It's fall now. I'm gonna use my makeup bag that I recently took on a trip. Let me know if you want to see another video where I show you everything that's in here. Yet again, I did a great job. I have tons of extra space. This was only a 4-day trip. I think I did have occasion to use everything that I packed at least once. Maybe I didn't use every single brush, but this is all of my makeup, all of my tools. I also had my little skincare bag in here. So I can definitely show you everything that I packed for this 4-day trip if you're interested. I was going to a lot of family events and stuff where I really had to dress up and we were taking pictures and it was a whole thing. So I was wearing makeup all day, every day. Look at all that space. Well, obviously I had my skincare bag in here too, but still. I knew I wanted to do a fall look. I have the Fantasy Cosmetica Fighter palette. The only 2 palettes that I took with me were my Flora Story palette and the Fighter palette. So I thought this would be a fun way to show you some of what's in here. And if you want a more comprehensive makeup bag video, I can do that too. I have been really good at packing lately. This is not a skill I've always had, but I have been really good at it lately. So let's get started. I'm going to zoom in. First up is this L'Oreal True Match Nude. This is not the type of foundation that I typically would travel with because it's in this big bulky glass bottle, but I knew that I was going to be wearing a lot of makeup, going to a lot of events, getting my picture taken a lot while I was traveling. So I definitely just wanted to go for something that I knew was going to be comfortable, reliable, and was going to look good on me all day. And also this foundation plays really well with the sunscreen that I packed, and I knew that I was going to be going outside a lot too, so I wanted to just pick something reliable, and I still ended up not overpacking my makeup bag, so it turned out fine. But if I was going on a longer trip or packing this to where it had to go on an airplane instead of just on a road trip, I probably would have taken some of this foundation and put it in a smaller container for travel. I've also been hooked on this concealer combo. Of course, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer has been a staple of mine for many, many years now, but this combo with the Kosas Revealer Concealer is so natural. It looks great shade match wise, but it also just, again, lasts all day, looks really nice and natural on my skin while giving me a little bit more coverage than I typically go for. Like I said, family events, photos, all that good stuff. So I was really trying to wear makeup that still looked natural and felt comfortable and felt like myself, but did give me a little bit more of a flawless finish than I usually try to go for. By the way, I'm going to list all the shades that I used for these products in the description box. I didn't want to put a whole bunch of text over my face so that you would not be able to see these products performing, but I will list the shade names for everything in the description box for you if you're curious about which colors in particular I'm wearing. Since I'm using cream cheek products, of course, this ColourPop Instant Crush Blush has been a favorite of mine for the past month, and I paired that with the ColourPop Light Sticks highlighter. So I did my cheek colors first, and then I went back with a little bit of setting powder. I find that everything blends the easiest when I do liquid foundation and concealer, cream, cheek colors, and then a little light layer of setting powder on top. Sometimes I don't even use setting powder at all, but I was out in the heat, I was running around a lot, paired with being in a lot of photos and wearing my makeup for many, many hours at a time. It made me definitely gravitate towards doing a little bit of setting powder. Now I'm going to do a sort of unexpected palette combo. Not too unexpected because for this look I'm just using the shade Shroom from Flora Story, but there are actually several good eyeshadow
combinations from these two palettes, even though they don't seem like they would go together well. The matte shade Orchid in Flora Story looks really cute with Might and Fervor from the Fighter palette, and really Shroom goes with everything, but Shroom and the shade Marshall have such a well paired, very neutral brown undertone that they just blend beautifully together. I use the shade Shroom constantly as my transition or crease shade, but it works so well with this darker neutral brown from the Fighter palette. I'm using the Marshall shade to create a little bit of a spotlight shape on the eyes. So I'm leaving a little center space on the lid blank. I'm going to go back with this mustardy matte shade Valor and just do a little bit of blending to bring some of that golden warmth up and out away from the lid. This creates almost a glowing effect once the metallic shades are added to the lid. But I'm saving the metallic shades for last. Before I move on to that step, I'm going to use a little bit more of the Shroom shade along the lower lash line just to balance out the look a little bit. Then I'm going to combine this red and bronzy orange shade together, and I'm going to tap that right onto the center of the lid with my finger. A little goes a long way. These metallic shades are so bright and bold and shiny that they really don't take much work at all. Then I just went back and touched up the deeper spots on the lid a little bit to give that some more definition. Did a teeny tiny bit of blending on the crease just to get everything nice and blown out. And then I added my lipstick shade and some mascara to curled lashes. And that's my finished look. This makeup was super easy to do. I feel very comfortable. I know that this would last all day and look beautiful all day. As far as YouTube makeup tutorials go, I know that this is not a groundbreaking look. It's not an exceptional color combination or anything like that, but it's pretty. It makes me feel good. It was quick and easy. And at the end of the day, this is the type of thing that I like to wear. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sometimes I wanna be shiny and bright and bold, and sometimes I just wanna embrace the basic. And today I am channeling fall and I am embracing the basic. It's okay to enjoy both. You can really have it all.
That's my finished super fall-tastic look. I love the way this turned out. It matches perfectly with my outfit and my little leaf earrings. And I think these two are a surprisingly good pair. I know for today's look I just used my all-time favorite transition shade, Shroom, but this shade Sage works really well with the Fighter palette too, because it does have that very neutral undertone, kind of murky vibe to it that fits really well with this Fighter palette. Sage in the crease, Warrior on the outer part of the eye, and then Glory and Misty on the lid is a super cool combo. I love the way this look turned out. I'm really happy with everything that I packed in my travel makeup bag. Everything just worked really well together, and I enjoyed all of my variety of looks that I did. I really love this look too. I didn't even wear this on the trip, but now I kind of wish that I would have, because it just turned out really pretty and cute, and I feel like myself, and it didn't really take me very long. It took me only like 20 minutes to do that makeup, so I hope that you enjoyed this quick little get ready with me as much as I did. I have a lot of fall-tastic content on the way. I definitely have a fall and Halloween Bath & Body Works order that has already arrived to my house, so I will be showing you that because I had so much fun doing that last year. And I might throw in a couple of little home decor items in that haul too, because I may have made my way around the TJ Maxx home decor section already. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the month of August. I do find that I end up enjoying a lot of unexpected combos. So let me know if you want to see a video about unexpected palette combinations or just anything. I always like to hear what you think about things too. So make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh. And I have the Fantasy Cosmetica Fighter Fighter pilot. I said the same thing in the video. Oh, not sponsored. Don't judge me. It's nighttime when I'm filming this. I've had a bunch of family stuff that I had to travel to. I had like a big family event weekend, and now I have a bunch of visitors coming and staying here, which is great. I love that. I love that. I love you all. But I don't really have a lot of time to work and film and edit and stuff. So yes, it's late night. I am having my adult beverage in my little beauty room by myself while I film. With my fall earrings, being fully delusional. Love that for me. If doing fall looks could decrease the heat and humidity, I would do 10 of them a day. What was I gonna say? She's a fall-tastic girl. Super fall girl. I need to wash my brushes. They made the makeup bag this dirty just by existing, so that's probably not good. Got one more quick little video to film, and then that's it. Then I'm gonna go have a little snack. Ready for a little snack. I have some really good salsa, so I really want some chips and salsa. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go do another video so that I have content to post while my visitors are here. And thanks for hanging out. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for being here. You're so cute and cool and awesome. Nice, special, smart, and valuable. And I love your face. I'll see you real soon. Okay, bye. Bye-bye now. Bye.